What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And as you can see, we're not in our typical Sister Girl Tuesday headquarters and studios. We are doing another dorm dinner video, and I am joined by the lovely host of this room. Ladies, go ahead and introduce yourselves.
I'm Jam.
And I'm Capri.
And we're gonna show you what we made today. So, have you ever just wanted some high-class Italian inspired food, but you're in college on a struggle budget?
Yes.
Well, I'm here to let you know that you don't need an Instapot or a stove to get quality spaghetti and garlic bread, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make some mason jar microwave spaghetti and, wait on it, your very own garlic butter from scratch. Like, not just add garlic to regular butter. We're making the butter. Okay, so I really enjoyed this recipe, but I'm gonna hear from you ladies. What was your favorite part about today's meal?
Well, my favorite part was the spaghetti because we love some spaghetti.
We love it. My favorite part was the butter that we put on the bread, the homemade. Ooh, child, it was good. It was good.
Well, that's what we liked about this meal, but I want to hear what you like about this meal. So don't forget to share in the comment section below. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
The first thing you're going to do is take your jar. It can be a mason jar, or old spaghetti jar, whatever. And you're gonna open it and add to it some pasta. Now, I know I'm looking a little weak right here, but y'all, that pasta is tougher than you think to break in half. Anyway, break it in half. And to it, you'll add a couple pinches of salt. I'm using some Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm just gonna fill the jar up with water. So this is gonna go into your microwave anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes, just depending on how much pasta you use, and also, you know, the voltage on your microwave. Alright, as you can see, the pasta is steaming. Now you'll need oven mitts or a towel to go ahead and retrieve your pasta from the microwave. And I'm just checking to see that my pasta is thoroughly cooked by just doing a pinch test and a taste test. And next we'll add about a cap to 2 caps of some olive oil. And then I'm gonna add my pasta sauce. And like I said, this is a struggle budget menu, so we're gonna make sure we get all of the pasta sauce out of that jar. Next, for flavor and texture, I'm gonna add some imitation bacon bits. You can add as little or as much as you like, and then that and my sauce will get stirred together. And now Jam is going to be doing our seasoning. She's using some Creole seasoning, followed by a little bit of oregano, as well as some garlic and parsley, a little onion powder, and finally some good old black pepper. So again, just mixing to make sure that everything is well seasoned before we start working on our butter. So you'll need another jar. And to it, you're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. And this is a great recipe to make if you wanna do it as a group project, and you'll see why in just a little bit. So adding in a couple pinches of some salt, a little garlic powder, just depending on how intense you want the garlic flavor to be, as well as some parsley for color. And then this is where the group part comes in. We all took turns shaking this jar, and you're just going to continue shaking until you don't feel any more liquid in the jar, and then go ahead and set it in the refrigerator to chill. So as you can see, we have a light and fluffy whipped butter, and so I'm just going to go ahead and spread it on some bread before pairing it with my spaghetti. Alright, and to garnish the spaghetti, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese as well as a little bit of parsley. And it's just that simple to make a whole meal right there. Be sure to follow my social media so you can see the taste test cam and get some candid thoughts on what this meal tastes like.